Gwlad, gwlad, pleidio lwy fi'm gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r byr hoff bai, o bydded i'r heniaeth barhau. Anne is the name, Anthem. I'm heroic, I protect, I defend. And every country has an anthem like me. Give me a trumpet, give me a drum, and I will be your anthem. I'm strong, I'm fiery, and so dramatic.
Anne!
What? I said I didn't want to be disturbed. I'll be down in a minute. I'm sorry about that. And now I'm going to take you to Pontypridd, because that's where I, Anthem of Wales, come from. And when I'm not Anthem, I'm Anne Jones, historian. And no, I'm not related to Tom Jones, even though he does come from Pontypridd. Yes, I know. Father and son wrote the Welsh anthem. They lived in Pontypridd in the middle of the 19th century. Evan had 7 children and he ran a wool factory near the Rhondda River. Evan was very busy as a weaver, but he did find time to read and write in the evenings after the younger children had gone to bed. He enjoyed writing songs with one of his older sons, James. James loved playing the harp, and both of them would spend hours singing and composing together. One day, Evan received a letter from his brother in America. Life is good here in Pennsylvania. I have found work in a huge coal mine and my wages are excellent. At last, I am able to pay all my bills. We are very happy here, but I miss you and your family very much. My dear Evan, I would be so much happier if you could come and live with us here in America. But no matter how hard Evan tried, he couldn't imagine leaving Wales. So that night, he wrote a letter to his brother and failed. So he wrote a poem, because it was so much easier to write a poem about your country and your home than a negative letter to your brother. And the next day, whilst James was walking along the river, he composed the melody, and Evan called the song Glan Rhondda. And in a week, this happened.
Mae hi'n wlad fy'n hadaen anoeli mi, gwlad beirdach antorion yn wogion oferi. I'm Elizabeth John, and I was the first person to sing Glan Rhondda in public in Capel Tabor, Maes Teg in 1856, a week after James and Evan wrote it.
And 2 years later, in 1858, at Llangollen Eisteddfod, this happened.
Can we have a bit of hush, please? And I, Owain Alaw, the judge, has decided that the song Glan Rhondda will share first prize. I've liked it so much, I'm going to publish it in my book, Gems of Welsh Melody. Also, I'm going to change the name to Hen Wlad fy Nhadau, Land of My Fathers. Glad, glad, pleidio lwy fi'm gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r fyr of bai, o bydded i'r heniaeth barhau.
Owain Alaw loved singing, and he went on to sing Hen Lad Fy Nhadau in many concerts all over North Wales and made it very popular in Eisteddfodau in particular. And he wasn't the only one who loved singing it.
Ei gwrol ryfelwyr, glad garwyr tramod. I'm Llew Llwyddo, and I sang the song so well in 1866. Hen Lad Fy Nhadau was chosen as a national anthem for Wales. And from then on, it was sung at the end of every session and every Steddfod.
And 30 years later, there was an important event in London.
I'm Marge Breeze, and I had the honour of recording Hen Lad Fy Nhadau for Gramophone Records in London in 1899. It lasted 1 minute and 17 seconds. To be honest, I was the first woman to record a song in Welsh.
Then, in 1905, something else incredible happened. New Zealand rugby team had come to play against Wales for the first time ever in Wales. They were about to play in the Arms Park. And as usual, the All Blacks performed their war dance, the haka. Ho, 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 eh! And suddenly, in the moment of silence after they had finished, the crowd began to sing, My Hen Lad Fy Nhadau, quietly to begin with. And by the end, everyone was yelling, Gwlad! Gwlad! This was the first time ever that a country had sang the anthem before a match. And it obviously helped. What do you think the score was? 3-0 to Wales. And from then on, thanks to the Welsh, to this day, it is custom that every country sings their anthem before a match. And here I am, Anne Jones, back in Pontypridd by the memorial to the father and son, Evan James and James James in Ynys Angharad. And when this memorial was unveiled in 1930, 10,000 people came to celebrate their feat, writing the national anthem of Wales, Hen Lad Fy Nhadau. But what exactly is an anthem? I'm heroic, I protect, I defend. Okay, so let's look at the words. My hen lad fy nhadau yn annwyl I mi. The old land of my fathers is dear to me. Wales, where I, my father and my family have lived for centuries, is a very special place. Gwlad Beirdd a Chantorion, a country of poets and singers and famous people of renown. Wales is full of cultured and creative people. A gwrol ryfelwyr, her brave warriors. Every country depends on people to fight, to defend their country. Gwladgarwyr tra mad, true patriots, which means that they love their country and they're very faithful. Trosryddid collasant eu gwaed, for freedom they shed their blood. In order to keep the country safe and protect us, people have lost their lives. Can you think of anyone famous in Wales? Gwlad, gwlad, pleidiol wyf i'n gwlad. Country, country, I am faithful to my country. I am faithful to my country and I will always support it. Tra môr yn fyr i'r byr hoff bai, while the sea is a wall to the land. The sea, will protect us like a huge wall. O bydded i'r heniaeth barhau, may the Welsh language endure, which means that they will protect the Welsh language and it will never die. Let's sing it together. Mae hen wlad fy